These animals make the most unique sounds, and the last one will blow your mind. Number 3, kookaburra. Known as the laughing bird, its call sounds like maniacal human laughter echoing through the forest. Number 2, capybara. These adorable rodents communicate with high-pitched chirps that sound like tiny squeaky toys.
Before I tell you the last one, if you're not chirping, like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Number 1, lyrebird. The ultimate mimic, this bird can imitate chainsaws, cameras, and even car alarms. It's nature's soundboard.
Which animal sound surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below.